Well, class 10, I have taken up part 2 of sum number 2 of exercise 3.6. Let's read out the sum first. 2 women and 5 men can together finish an embroidery work in 4 days, while 3 women and 6 men can finish it in 3 days. Find the time taken by one woman alone and also the time taken by one man alone. Let the time taken by one woman to complete the work be x days and the time taken by one man to complete the work be y days. See, one woman completes the work in x days. Therefore, her 1 day's work will be 1 upon x. Similarly, one man completes the work in y days. Therefore, his 1 day's work will be 1 upon y part. If you have understood this, see, initially 2 women and 5 men are working. So, according to condition 1, condition 1, 2 women are working and 1 day's work of 1 woman is 1 upon x. Therefore, 1 day's work of 2 women will be 2 upon x. So, it is 2 upon x plus, see, 1 day's work of 1 man is 1 upon y and 1 day's work of 5 men will be 5 upon y. And their 1 day's work will be 1 upon 4 because they can finish the work in 4 days. This is your equation number 1. Now, according to question's condition number 2, condition number 2 says 3 women and 6 men. That means 3 upon x plus 6 upon y is equal to, they can finish it in 3 days. So it is 1 upon 3. This is equation number 2. Now, see, the x is in the denominator. Similarly, y is in the denominator. What we can do is, we can assume, let us take 1 upon x equal to a and 1 upon y equal to b. So this becomes 2a plus 5b is equal to 1 upon 4, equation number 3, and 3a plus 6b is equal to 1 upon 3. This is your equation number 4. Let us solve them. If you want to solve them, see here, to eliminate a, you will have to multiply equation number 3 by 3 and equation number 4 by 2. So multiplying equation 3 by 3 and equation 4 by 2 we get. Let's multiply them. 3 2s are 6a plus 3 5s are 15b is equal to 3 upon 4. Similarly, when you multiply this by 2, you get 6a plus 12b is equal to 2 upon 3. On subtracting, you will have to change their signs. Negative, negative, negative. This gets eliminated. This gives you 3b is equal to, when you subtract this from this, you get the LCM as 12. This divided by 4 gives you 3, multiplied by 3 gives you 9, minus divided by 3 gives you 4, 4 2s are 8. So this gives you 1 upon 12. That means b is equal to 1 upon 12 into 1 upon 3, and you get 1 upon 36. See, this is the value of b. You have to also find out the value of a. Putting 1 upon 36 is equal to b in equation 3. Let's put it in the equation. 2a plus 5 into 1 upon 36 is equal to 1 upon 4. You have to bring this side. 2a is equal to 1 upon 4 minus 5 upon 36. This should give you, LCM is 36. When you divide the LCM by this, you get 9. 9 minus 5 gives you what? 4 upon 36. And this should give you 1 upon 9. So 2a is 1 upon 9. This implies a is equal to 1 upon 9 into 1 upon 2. It should give you 1 upon 18. You got the value of a as well as b. Now, what is a? A we have taken to be 1 upon x. So, a is equal to 1 upon x. This implies 1 upon x is equal to, what is the value of a? 1 upon 18. This implies x is equal to 18. Similarly, b we have taken up 1 upon y. This implies 1 upon y is equal to 1 upon 36. This implies y is equal to 36. Therefore, x is what? X is the time taken by one woman to complete the embroidery. Therefore, the time taken by one woman to complete the work is equal to x. X is this, 18 days, and the time taken by one man, this is y, so 36 days. Thank you.